What's happening, Crypto fam? Happy Thursday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. This morning I want to read over an article I've seen. The SEC says XRP holders are no friend to the court case against Ripple. So apparently we're no friend in the court case. Why would anyone... What are they even talking about? Oh, friends. Court case friends. We want some court case friends. Shut the... Don't swear in the first minute, Scott. Friends, mate. I mean, come on. The regulator claimed XRP holders are too partial to serve as a meet-you. Friend. And their participation has elevated a meet-you. Who were exempt from discovery prejudice. Lastly, the financial watchdog says XRP holders inappropriately seek to expand the issues in the case. No, we just want you to see fucking sense and notice that XRP is not a security. It's not too hard. You are the Security and Exchange Commission. XRP is not a security, therefore you should have stayed the fuck out of everything related to XRP. When Ripple do an IPO, you fair game, bro. It's all yours. It's all yours. Yeah, fill your fucking boots with a Ripple IPO, bruh. Yeah, but XRP, you need to leave it the fuck alone. It's a shambles. The need for regulatory clarity has become the one thing that everyone on both sides of the SEC and Ripple lawsuit agrees with. Whether the regulator will pursue that objective ASAP or not is something that remains to be seen. If that happens, it's been suggested that a settlement deal could see the light of day within the next 2 weeks. I spoke the other day about the lawyer, said he could see it happening within June. If they're going to throw it out, it will likely be thrown out before June. Other than that, is likely going to carry it on and stand by it. Either way, the case is happening now, and motions are being filed on every turn. Most recently, the SEC filed an objection to the Ripple co-founders' motion to dismiss the case against them. In the document, the SEC basically doubles down on their guilt, pointing to Chris Larson's explicit knowledge that XRP could be considered a security, and Brad Garlinghouse marketing of XRP as an investment as he understood the nature of the asset. As he understood the nature of the asset has got basically fuck all to do with it, in my opinion. What the asset actually is all that fucking matters. And did they sell it legally? You had no regulation back then for digital assets, so it was impossible to break. How can you break the law when there is no fucking law? How can you break legislation when there is no legislation? You're fucked up, government. You're fucked up. And now you're like, you're causing market manipulation. You've caused more damage than good. You're horrible, horrible bastards. Can you imagine how many people in America actually sold, was then locked out, still fucking locked out now, some of them. Prior to that, Ripple had put the SEC to shame in the latest legal round by exposing their omissions and misrepresentation of the judge in the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's lack of due process and fair notice. A few days ago, the SEC filed another objection to XRP holders' motion to intervene, arguing they can offer nothing beyond what defendants can provide and have provided to the court. Now, I don't know who these motherfuckers think they are. You turn around to people, you can provide nothing. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Of course you can provide. You can provide a great insight to how you fucked them over when you pulled the rug from under them. What was it at the time? 60, 70 cents? Woo! All the way down to 1817. I was like, sell. sell your XRP. Fucking traders. Telling me to sell at 18 cents. So the regulators also claimed XRP holders are too partial to serve as a meet-you. Why they've not just put friend or fucking meet-you? Are we Latin? Or am I fucking English? Write your fucking article in English, dickhead. There's going to be we're not Latin. Stop fucking using it. The two partial to serve as friends, and their participation as elevated friends who are exempt from discoverer prejudice. Lastly, the financial watchdog says XRP holders inappropriately seek to expand the issue in the case. No, we appropriately seek for you to drop the fucking case because it's absolutely ridiculous and doesn't have a leg to stand on. James K. Fillon, a Connecticut-based lawyer connected to the XRP holders, reminded the SEC's mission statement, which among other things is to protect investors. Protect investors. The SEC has argued from the beginning of this enforcement action that XRP is a security, thereby arguing XRP holders are actually XRP investors. In its latest filing, it attacks XRP holders. It says, because movements are not seeking to appear as objective friends of the court, but rather to advance their own interests, who pursue claims against SEC defendants, request that movements appear as a meet-you should be denied. So it's clear the SEC is antagonising towards XRP, antagonistic towards XRP holders. The sector knobhead, if you don't know what antagonistic means. It has no intention of protecting them or advancing XRP holders' interests. This leads to only one conclusion. The enforcement action brought by the SEC has never been intended to protect anyone or anything. Its only objective has been to destroy XRP holders, and Ripple. The SEC is horribly misguided and needs to end this travesty. Couldn't agree more. Couldn't agree more. The agency is a fucking joke. It's a farce, it's a charade, a smokescreen, a load of motherfucking bullshit. Say whatever you want, use the terminology you want, I don't care. They have took the Michael out of Bob and put it in Alice. It's fucking ridiculous. In response to the SEC's opposition, XRP holders filed a new memorandum of law stating the SEC's opposition to intervention is riddled with red herrings, personal attacks, and irrelevant case law, hoping to distract the court from XRP holders' meritorious, I don't even know what that fucking means, request for intervention. Meritorious. You just try and confuse him there. I'm just a knobhead from Drawsden who can't read. Use simple words, please. XRP holders are not, excuse me, are not constitutionally or statutorily barred from intervention. They have a protectable interest that could be impeded, if not destroyed, by the disposition and outcome of the case. Moreover, the existing parties do not adequately represent their interest. XRP holders should be allowed to speak for themselves. XRP holders do not seek to broaden the scope of the SEC's claims, but rather protect their interests and provide the court with critical information necessary for the fair disposition of this case. If intervention is granted, there will be no delay in the proceeding or adjudication of this case. The SEC cannot claim with credibility that it will suffer unfair prejudice from intervention. Considering the substantial public interest at stake, intervention will provide this court with a more complete picture of the issues presented, Scott, and contribute to a just and equitable action for defences. I mean, what a load of bullshit, isn't it? Regarding regulatory clarity, the CFTC is watching the lawsuit as it will help to establish the scope of the SEC's authority in the digital asset space. Excuse me. Also, in the context of SEC's lack of clarity, XRP holders lawyer Johnny Deaton said it doesn't take an expert to see that plenty is very wrong, very corrupt, and very outrageous about the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has recently said the lack of clarity in the US regulation of cryptocurrencies is frustrating. Frustrating, Brad? Frustrating? It's outright fucking ridiculous, mate. It's just unbelievable to me that they can sit there with a straight fucking face and be like, XRP is a security. We're doing this to protect investors in XRP. Like, really? Really? It makes me wonder exactly what the fuck's going to happen. I mean, there's blood on the streets today, ain't there? There's blood everywhere. I mean, let me get nomics up, because we're still going to be pretty down. Fucking hell, Bitcoin's up 1% in the last 24 hours now. Shit. Some sell-off out last, like, V-Chain took a fucking wallop, mate. Went down to 6 cents and then all the way back up to fucking 11 and 12. Shit the fucking bed, mate. A few weeks ago, you could have sold V-Chain at like 26 fucking cents, 28 cents. Wait till yesterday and bought back in at 6. It's a fucking... Oh. Saying this today, hindsight's a great thing, and it's hanging when you sat there and you're thinking, fuck, I could have just fucking legitimately sold the fucking lot. I could have just sold the lot, bought back in yesterday night, today, and been fucking double, triple me fucking bag. But we're not in a position to have the balls to do it, bro. Like, it's a catch-22. It's like you want to do one thing, you want to do another thing, but you can't really do both of them. So we will plod along until it takes off, basically. It's going to happen soon. You'll have bears now going in, thinking we're going to go bearish, about to get liquidated to fuck. You just had a load of people liquidated to fuck and burnt to fuck. This is why you don't do contract for difference trading in fucking crypto. And if you are doing futures or anything that is simply betting on price movements, especially with leverage or leverage, however you want to fucking say it, if you are trading like that, you're gonna get burnt. I just want to tell you, you're gonna get fucking burnt. Accept you're gonna get burnt. Yeah? You're gonna get burnt. You just need to hope that it's a tiny fucking, tiny little burn one day, and you, oh shit, lucky you want more in that. Lucky you want that one. Lucky you want that one. You're gonna get fucking burnt. And the thing you have to hope is that you don't get burnt on your big trades. If you get burnt on your big trades, you are fucked. Fucked. Liquidated. Done. Getting burnt on investing is kind of fucking different. As long as you fucking got it, the burn's healing like that, because it'll come back and your investment's still there. You're not a contract for difference. You're not futures trading. You're not going to get liquidated and have an empty fucking wallet. Excuse me. Granted, the value might dip of your wallet, but it'll never empty. Yeah? People need to realize that trading is not that healthy for most of us. We can't handle the stress, we can't handle the anxiety. Some of us can't even go to sleep with an open trade, mate. You know what I mean? Like, you just can't sleep. You got an open trade, like, I can't fucking sleep. Fucking trade open. If you was to sell all of your investment at the top the other day, and you accepted that risk, that it might not actually be the top and it could have kept going. If you called that in the last few days epic, mate, well fucking done. And you know the dance, right hand over left shoulder, give yourself a pat on the back, because that's fucking epic. I just don't have the balls to risk that and risk it just running away and me ending up with half of what I had and not fucking triple what I had. I mean, some people are going to say, oh, you're just being greedy, trying to increase your bag past a certain point. It's like, no, I'm not being greedy. I'm just trying to make it happen sooner now. We've invested in something that's going to change the end of our lives, or is going to change our retirement immensely, or is going to provide financial freedom within 3 to 5 years, or whatever. Increasing the bag just means you get it earlier. It's not greedy. It's not fucking greedy. Just wanting something a little earlier. It's natural. It's hard to have patience when you're so excited about getting to a certain place. It's hard to have patience in getting there. You just want to get there. You just want to get there like a kid going on holiday. We're fucking there yet. We moved yet. We just have to be patient, grateful, and hope we see the sun tomorrow. Yeah. Some people are not going to see the sun today. Not everybody will wake up today. And that is perspective. If you woke up, you've seen the sun, you've seen me, you've seen your portfolio, still there. Bit of gratitude goes a long way. Yeah. It is Thursday. Not long left of the week now. So enjoy the rest of it. Invest in yourself, invest in internet of value, live long and hodl it all till you're ready to let it go. Wishing health and happiness to you and yours. We love crypto, we love XRP, we hate the SEC, but we love you, so take care of yourself and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.